Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you the new update from TikTok where you can now upload videos up to 10 minutes long. Before you begin, make sure your TikTok app has been updated to the latest version. This will work on iOS and Android phones. You can do the update by going into your App Store or your Play Store and search for TikTok. Then go ahead and check for any updates. If there is an update, then go ahead and update it. Now, once that's updated, go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Tap on the plus sign to create a video. Then tap on the upload button and select a video or multiple videos up to 10 minutes long. TikTok will automatically create a video and sound sync it. Tap on Adjust Clips at the top right to disable that. Now tap on Default from this screen. Here you'll see all the clips which you have selected. In the timeline, you'll see the total number of durations of the video. Tap on Save and this will then take you into the TikTok editing screen. Now here you can add your text, sound, effects and sticker and then post it on TikTok. Unfortunately, at the moment you cannot record a 10-minute video using TikTok's video recorder. You will need to use your own camera app to record the video and then upload it to TikTok using the upload feature. And that is how to upload videos up to 10 minutes long on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.